In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Overstock. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to check your order status, and what to expect after you cancel. Start by opening your web browser and heading to overstock.com. If you're not already signed in, look for the account option, usually at the top right of the page. Click Account, then choose Sign In. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset link so you can get back in securely. Once you're signed in, return to the account menu to open your account dashboard. From there, select Orders and Returns. This section shows your complete order history, including the most recent purchases. You'll see each order listed with its status, such as processing, preparing to ship, or shipped. That status is important because you can only cancel an order that hasn't shipped yet. If an order has already shipped, the cancel option won't be available on the site. Click into the order you want to manage to view the details. Here you'll find the items included, the order date, the shipping method, and the current status. If the order is still eligible, you'll see a cancel order button. The cancellation window can be short, especially for fast shipping items, so it's a good idea to act quickly once you know you want to cancel. Select the order you want to cancel and click Cancel Order. You may be asked to confirm your choice. After you confirm, the site will process your request and show a success message if the cancellation goes through. You'll also receive a confirmation email. Refunds typically go back to your original payment method, and depending on your bank or card issuer, it can take a few business days to appear. If you used a gift card or store credit, the value will usually return to that balance. If you don't see a cancel button, it means the order is already too far along, often because it's shipped. In that case, wait for delivery and start a return from the same orders and returns page, or reach out to customer support for help with your options. Also note that some marketplace or special order items may have different cancellation rules. That's it. Go to overstock.com, sign in, open orders and returns, review your order details, and cancel if the option is available. If this helped, follow along for more straightforward guides just like this.